We all know that every year on 1st May we celebrate Maharashtra Day. Even though we live in Maharashtra, we might not know the reason why we celebrate 1st May as Maharashtra Day. So today I am going to explain in short the historical background and also explain the reason why we celebrate this day as Maharashtra Day.
During those days, Bombay was starting to be recognized as one of the important ports all over the country. In the year 1917, a teacher named Vitthal Vaman Tamankar presented the idea of linguistic regionalization through a magazine called Lok Shikshan. In that article, he wished to unite the Marathi-speaking community that was scattered in the province of Bombay, Pahad and Hyderabad and to form a unified state of Maharashtra. But it took almost 29 long years to discuss this matter of unification. On 12th May 1946, during the Marathi Sahitya Sammelan, again the issue was raised to create a Marathi-speaking state under the leadership of Shankar Rao Dev. But the Dar Committee and the JVP Committee rejected the demand as the linguistic regionalization was not favorable for the unification of India. On 1st November 1955, the Congress executive suggested to form three different states, namely Maharashtra, Bombay and Gujarat, to put an end to the opposition of some Marathi and Gujarati speakers as per the recommendations of the State Restructuring Commission. The State Restructuring Commission refused to include Bombay in Maharashtra, which wounded the feelings of the Marathi people. And as a result, the leaders of Communist, Socialist and the Samajwadi Party came together to have a unified Maharashtra. Senapati Bapat, S.M. Joshi, Acharya Atre, Comrade Shripad Dange, Shahir Amar Sheikh and Prabodhankar Thakre were the prominent leaders in the movement. Shahir Amar Sheikh, Shahir Annabhau Sathe and Shahir Gavankar kept the Marathi identity alive with their literatures. Realizing that the situation was getting out of control, on 16th January 1956, the then Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, declared that the province of Bombay will be governed and ruled by the central government. This led to a huge revolt from the part of the working class, starting from the Flora Fountain. Subsequently, a huge crowd from Churchgate and Boribandar moved towards Flora Fountain, demanding the formation of Maharashtra, which included Bombay as well. The police used lathi charge to disperse the mob. However, due to the persistent satyagrahis, the efforts of the police failed. The then Chief Minister of Bombay, Sri Morarji Desai, ordered the police force to open firing on the mob. 106 protesters were martyred in this battle of united Maharashtra. Due to the sacrifices of the martyrs and the agitation of the Marathi people, the government bowed down and formed a unified Maharashtra with Bombay on 1st May 1960.
I hope the video was informative. So once again, stay at home, stay safe and happy Maharashtra Day.